Welcome back to Twin Truth Studios. What if I told you you could make the next hit song? Yeah, you. All you need is some inspiration and AI tools. Wait, listen, just hear me out. Creators just like you and me are using AI every day. They're getting thousands of streams, YouTube views, and downloads. Here, take a look at this video I just created.
Yeah, he already drew it up, baby. Before I got here, he had the plan. Now watch me walk in it. Woke up with a word on my spirit. Said, girl, don't you fear it, go live it. I've been down, I've been tried, but I'm still here. Cause the map of my life is crystal clear. He wrote my name in bold on the page. Didn't leave me out, didn't skip my stage. Now I'm walking like it's already done. Cause my victory was signed by the sun. I don't worry about the detour sign. God's design ain't never late or blind. He's got a blueprint tailor-made for me. Every line and curve is destiny. Even when I couldn't see the way, he was laying bricks for brighter days. I'm stepping out with joy in my feet on a path he made just for me. A future and a hope so sweet. Oh yes, he's got the blueprint.
The AI tools that I'm going to show you how to use today can be used to create a hit song, whether it's gospel, country, hip-hop, rock, it doesn't matter. Here, let me show you.
Oh, talk to me and teach the world. Make your character sing, make your voice be heard.
Alright, so in step 1, we're going to open ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we're going to get our inspiration. So we're just going to ask the app to provide me with 2 of the most emotional, provoking Bible verses. So this is going to help inspire the song. So now I'm just going to skim through the options. It is providing me 2 verses. And I like number 2. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my prompt in, requesting that ChatGPT provide me with the lyrics for verse 2. So using number 2, provide lyrics for a soulful gospel song and use the message as part of the lyrics. The song should provoke emotions. So there it is. Of course, ChatGPT gave me a song in seconds. And so now I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this song and go over to the next app. And so in the next step, we're going to go ahead and go to Suno.ai. This is going to take those lyrics and make the song. So again, Suno.ai is going to create the song. So we're going to go ahead and select the create button. And then we're going to click custom and then go into the lyrics box. This is where we're going to go back to ChatGPT, copy and paste the lyrics from start to finish. Go back over to Suno.ai and paste those lyrics into the box. The next step you're going to do is enter in your style. I'm simply just going to put gospel. The next step, I'm going to go ahead and add my title. I'm just going to go with the title that ChatGPT gave me, which is Nothing Can Separate Me. All right, and then now I'm going to go ahead and select the orange and yellow box to create the song. Okay, so you're going to see that it says your groove is on its way at the very top. Song is ready. Tap to play. That was very fast. So that's why I like this app. So now I have a song. I'm going to click the 3 dots, go down to download song. And then we're going to go over into our next step, which is back to ChatGPT. Once we're back in ChatGPT, we're then going to copy and paste my prompt from my notes because I don't have time to type all this out. Nobody wants a, 12-hour long video. So I copy and paste my prompt into ChatGPT, asking the app to provide me with an image. I'm going to use this image as visuals for the song. So it does say provide an extremely detailed prompt for a text to image of a soulful, radiant woman singing with a choir behind her. Okay. So it did definitely give me a extremely detailed prompt. As you can see, it's very long. This is why I gave it my basic prompt and ChatGPT expanded it into detail for me. So I'm going to copy this prompt and we're going to head over to the next app, which is going to create the visual for us. So the next app we're going to go to is PicLumen. In PicLumen, I'm going to be able to paste the prompt and it's going to generate me an image. So we're going to click create, and then down at the bottom, what do you want to draw? We're going to paste that detailed description. We're going to make sure that we select a 16 by 9 because this is going to be for YouTube. And I'm going to ask to give me 2 images. Next, I'm going to go down to the purple bar and click create. All right, so it's going to start generating 2 images. You can pick whichever one you want, or you can recreate some more. I like number 2, so I'm going to click the 3 dots, and then I'm going to click download. And the next step after you download your image is head over to the next tool, which is Magic Hour AI.
In Magic Hour AI, you're able to generate videos from images up to 60 seconds. So in order to access that particular feature, it is asking that you purchase a membership. Once you decide if you want the membership or not, and if you're in there, what you're going to do is upload your image, the one we just downloaded, and then I'm going to go over to my notes and copy and paste my prompt, asking the Magic Hour to animate my avatar singing. She is moving side to side in unison and things like that. Next, I'm going to go to duration. As you can see, 60 seconds is 3,000, 10 seconds is 600, and 8 seconds is 480. So we're going to go ahead and go with the 8 seconds. I'm going to select quick mode and we're going to render video. Once you decide if you like the video, you're going to then select the 3 dots, select download, and you're going to save that to your device.
Next, we're going to bring it all together and we're going to head over and open Dreamface.
In Dreamface, we're going to be able to video lip sync. So you're going to select the blue at the top right, video lip sync. You're going to select avatar, click the image we just saved. Next, you're going to add script to continue, import, and then you're going to select the song we downloaded. Here's where you can expand it to 180 seconds. So you're just going to drag that over to get the full 180 seconds. Go to the top and select confirm. It is then going to animate. So you select animate and you should get something like this.
Woke up with a word on my spirit. Said, girl, don't you fear it, go live it. I've been down, I've been tried, but I'm still here. Cause the map of my life is crystal clear.
And there you have it, your very own song powered by AI. Hit the like button if you've learned something new today. Subscribe if you're ready to start your own faceless YouTube channel. And drop a comment. Show me what you've created. I'd love to see. Until next time.
Twin Truth Studios, turning voices into visions, one avatar at a time.